Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error code that is EC10500. So if you're receiving this error with EA app, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Before you perform any troubleshooting steps, first of all check if EA servers are down. Now check for any outage on EA website, or you can even go to EA X page. So you can on X you can search for EA help and you can check if there is any outage. They will let you know. If there is no outage, in that case, make sure date, time zone, and reason is correct on your computer. So at the bottom right here, you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time. Click on adjust date and time. Make sure set time zone automatically. If this is off, you can just turn it on. Again, make sure set time automatically is also on. Sync now. Click on sync now. This is important. If you receive any error, just click on sync now once again. And then go to language and region and make sure your country, right country is selected over here, and then check. Still not working. The next step is to close all EA process. Now make a right click on the start menu and then go to task manager. Now if you find any EA services running or anything related to EA, just end task. So find EA. So if you find anything that says EA, just close it and then try to launch EA app once again, and then you can check. Next step is to run EA app as an administrator. So type in EA app in Windows search box, make a right click on EA app, then click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow, and then you can check. Next step is to start EA background service. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then go to services. And over here find EA background service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click, then click on restart, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run EA App Updator. Now for this, make a type in EA app in Windows search box, make a right click on EA app and then click on open file location. Here you can see EA App Updator, make a right click and then click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow, and let this complete. So if there is any update, it will update it, it will run the updater and then you can check. So this process may take some time. And once done, now you can try to launch EA app and then you can check. Download successful, staging is in progress. Now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to clear EA app cache. Now for this, type in again EA app, make a right click and then click on open file location. Here you can see EA app recovery, make a right click, run as administrator, click on yes to allow. Now here you can see clear cache option. Click on clear cache and then it will relaunch EA app and then you can check. Next step is to repair EA app. So for this, you can type in control panel in Windows search box, open control panel, go to uninstall a program, and you will find EA app over here. Make a right click on EA app and then click on uninstall, click on yes to allow. In my case, I'm running the EA app, so I'm receiving this error. Let me retry. Now don't uninstall it, just click on repair over here and let the repair complete. It will actually download, it will reinstall EA app and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to you can install EA app installer and then go for repair. Now for this, you can, if that repair that does not work, in that case you can go to EA website and then you can download the installer from EA app. So you can click on download the EA app, Windows, run this exe file, click on it. Do not let me cancel. Once the download is complete, you can go to the download location. So click on this folder icon over here and or you can simply go to downloads and you will see this EA app installer. Make a right click and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes, and then over here you will see actually a repair option. So if you see the repair option, let me show it to you. So make a right click, run as administrator, click on yes to allow, and then over here you will see the repair option. Click on repair and let the repair complete, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to update Windows to the latest version. This is important. So go to Windows Update or Update and Security over here, and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart, launch the EA app. Still not working. The next step is to turn off or turn on VPN. Now, if you're using VPN, turn it off, close VPN. If you're not using VPN, you can use the VPN. You can turn on the VPN and then check which one is working fine for you. For many users, turning off VPN has worked. For many users, using the VPN has worked. So you can try this. Next step is to run this command. This command is provided in the video description. So copy this and then type in cmd in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt app and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you open command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here and then hit the enter key. Okay, so in my case it's not started, so I'll show you what will happen. So in my case actually I have not even started this service. So in your case it will be like this. I'll show you. Let me start it, then you can stop it. In your case it would be like in start status. So now you have to run only this command. So copy this, paste it, hit the enter key, and once it is done, now you can launch EA app and then check. Next step is to, if you're using porofessor overwolf app, then you can try to uninstall it. This has worked for a few players, so it might work for you. Also reset settings in killer control center app. Now the next step is to delete temp files. Now to delete the temp files, you can type in run in Windows search box. In the run box, type in temp and then click on OK, and then select everything and then delete it. Now once deleted, again open the run box and this time type in %temp %, hit OK, select everything, delete. And once done, now you can launch EA app and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to try Google DNS Server. Now for this, type in control panel in Windows search box, go to control panel, go to network and internet, and then go to network sharing center, and then over here click on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet, go to properties, and over here you can see internet protocol TCP IPv4, and once you select it, now click on properties, and over here use the following DNS server. You have to select this one, and then you have to type in preferred DNS server, that is 8888. So it should be 8888, and for alternate 8844. Then click on, put a check on validate settings upon exit, and then click on OK. Close it. Now close this. Now you can launch EA app and then check. Still not working. Again go to this, go to properties, and this time select this internet protocol version 4 and then select properties once again, and this time over here type in this 1111 for preferred DNS server, that is 1 and then 111, and for the alternate DNS server type in 1001 1 0 0 and then 1, and then put a check on validate settings upon exit, click on OK, close this, close this. Now you can check. If that does not work, in that case you can just set it to default. Like you can select this one, go to properties, and then by default it's automatic, so you can select this. Okay, close this, close this. Now once you make a change, just make sure that you restart your computer and then you can try to launch EA app. Next step is to uncheck internet protocol version 6. Now for this, again click over here, go to properties, and then scroll down. Over here you can see this internet protocol 6 TCP IPv6. If this is checked, uncheck this box, click on OK, close this. Now you can launch EA app and then check. If that does not work, you can just put a check once again. So if it is not working, then in that case you can put a check once again and then follow the next step. Now the next step is to turn off proxy in Windows settings. So open Windows settings, go to network and internet, and go to proxy option over here. Now if you have set up any proxy, you can just turn it off, save the changes, and then check. Next step is to, if you have set environment variables for HTTP proxy or HTTPS proxy, then delete them. Reset all network adapters to factory settings, or remove all your proxy settings in environment variables if you did something like that. So this has also worked for many users. If you have done this, you will understand how to do it. Now the next step is to, if you're using any third-party antivirus software, like if you're using Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, whichever antivirus program you're using, allow the EA app files, these files, to your antivirus program. Now if you're using Windows security, then open Windows settings, go to privacy and security, go to Windows security, and then click on virus and threat protection. Actually go to virus and threat protection, and then go to manage settings over here, and go to add or remove exclusion. Click on yes to allow, and then go to add an exclusion, and then go to file, and then go to the location, that is C drive, program files, and then it's Electronic Arts EA desktop, and then again EA desktop, and select these files, that is desktop, desktop. So if you find this EA desktop, you can click on open, and then again file, and then EA launcher, yeah, it's EA launcher, and then add again file. If you find link to EA, select it, then open it. Once it is added, now you can try to launch. Next step is to, now if you are using ESET security, in that case you can go to main program window, go to setup network, and resolve block communication. Click unblock. You can disable also. You can disable your antivirus program only while launching the EA app. Once you're done playing the game, you can enable your antivirus program and then check. Also add EA App exe and game exe, your game exe file, to your antivirus program. Next step is to restore firewalls to default and open the EA app as an administrator. Now to reset the firewall to default, go to settings, and then go to network and internet, and let me check advanced network settings, Windows firewall, and then over here you can see restore firewalls to default. Click on it, and then click on restore defaults. Read this before. Restoring defaults will remove all your Windows Defender firewall settings that you have configured for your network location. This might cause some apps to stop working. So only if you agree, you can click on restore default, and then you can check. This has also worked for few players, so it might work for you. Next step is to install Visual C++ file. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in the browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can see visual files. You have to download this x86 and x64. Download both the files. Click on it, and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. If you see the install button, hit install. If you see the repair option, click on repair. Click on yes to allow. Download this x64 file as well. Again, run this exe file. Now, if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install button, hit install. Click on yes to allow and let the installation complete. Make sure both the files are installed. Once installed, restart your computer. Restart is a must after this. And after the system restart, you can launch EA app and then check. Next step is to perform power cycles. So shut down your computer, unplug the power cable for maybe 1 to 2 minutes from your computer, turn off the Wi-Fi router, wait for a few seconds or maybe a minute, and then restart your Wi-Fi router, and then connect the power cable back to the computer, and then restart your computer, connect to your Wi-Fi, connect to the internet, and then launch. Next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, click on run as administrator. Always open command prompt as an administrator. And then copy all these commands one by one. And then paste it over here. And then hit the enter key. So run all the commands. All the commands are provided in the video description. Now once you run all the command, now restart your computer. Restart is a must after this. And after the system restart, you can launch the game and then check. Launch the EA app and then check. Next step is to switch to different network. So if your computer, if you have a different network, you can switch to different network. For example, in my case, I have a different network. So just try switching to different network and then check. If that does not work, you can use mobile hotspot. So you can turn on the data on your phone and turn on the hotspot on your phone, and then you can go to Wi-Fi icon over here and connect to your cell phone network. Now once you connect to your cell phone network, now you can launch EA app and then you can check. Let me connect to my Wi-Fi first. So you can use mobile hotspot and then check. Next step is to, if you're using Steam or Game Pass account to play EA games, then you can try to log into EA app using Steam or Game Pass account. So for example, if you're using any like Steam account to log in or Game Pass account to log in that case, you can, if you have the Steam account, you can click on Steam icon. It will take you to the browser. You can log in using the Steam account. If you're using Xbox account, you can click over here and then it will take you to Microsoft website, and then you can just confirm, just follow the process and then log in and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to, if receiving error code 204105, you can go offline in EA app. So only if you're able to go to this page on EA app, you can go to these 3 horizontal lines and then you can go offline. Yes, I'm sure. You will see the game over here. You can launch the game. Once the game is up and running, you can go online and then you can check. Next step is to uninstall EA app using Revo uninstaller. So you can install this Revo uninstaller on your computer. You can go to Google. In Google search, you can just type in Revo uninstaller. You can go to free downloads and then you can install the free Revo uninstaller free. You can click on free download and then you can install this. In my case, Revo uninstaller is already installed on my computer. So you can launch Revo uninstaller. Once installed, you can launch it and then you can find the EA app. Let me close the EA app first. So find the EA app in the list. Once you find the EA app, make a right click on uninstall over here, or you can select it and then click on uninstall at the top, click on continue. Now click on uninstall over here and let the uninstall complete. Now once uninstalled, close this, and then over here select advanced option. Make sure that you select advanced, click on scan. Now select all, click on delete, click on yes to allow. Select all, click on delete, click on yes. And once done, restart your computer. Restart is a must after this. And after the system restart, you can go to EA website, download the EA app once again. You can go to use the new installer, not the old installer. Use the new installer, make a right click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow, and then click on let's go, and let the download complete, let the installation complete, and then you can launch EA app, log into the computer, and that should help you to fix this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.